Blues scales in the key of C. We're in the key of C major. We're in the key of C major. This is a 1. Yes, so we are in the key of C. Yeah, let's look at the blues scales. We're going to be looking at the 2 blues scales that you can use in your playing. And then also I will show you how I use these blues scales in a song or in my playing, and you can learn to do the same as well, right? Because I don't want to just show you a technique or something and then the next thing I don't show you how you can use that in your playing. Now let's first look at the this first blues scale here, which is gonna be this one. Let's break that down, and then also we will incorporate this in a song. This blues scales that I just showed you, this first blues scale. So it's your 1, 2 sharp or sharp 2, 3, 5, 6, back to 1, and when you descend it's the same thing. 1, 6, 5, 3, sharp 2, 2, 1. Right, let's see how you can use that in a song, and let's take a simple song. We lift him higher, we lift him higher, we lift him higher, we lift him higher. When the praises goes up, His glory come down. Let's do that again. This time I'm gonna be slower. We lift him higher, we lift him higher, we lift him higher. When the praises goes up, His glories come down. Let's do when the praise goes up again. When the praises goes up, there goes my scale. His glory come down. When the praises goes up, when the praises goes up, His glory come down. And that's how you use your first blues scale. Let's look at the second one. I don't want to make this video longer. Now the second one, I'll usually use it as I mentioned before, during the praise break or when I'm supporting the preacher, right? And it's gonna be this one here. I usually just descend when I play this scale. So when you ascend, sorry, let's do that slowly. 1, sharp 2, 4, sharp 4, 5, sharp 6, back to 1 again. When you descend, it's the same thing. And I just like to add this, right? I know it gives more jazzy vibes. Right, now let's do that. Maybe it's during a praise break. I mean, maybe the worship leader is saying, "Give God the praise, give God the praise," right? Give God the praise. Then you can use this. Then leading to 1. And obviously, with practice, you're gonna be more faster, right? Even myself, I'm still, obviously, I'm not that faster yet. Alright, that's it for this video.